come at the beginning of the word, it's pronounced the. But if th it's go to the end of the word, it's pronounced the. Like that. That. It look like the dog. That. Okay. That is the dog. Okay. That is a dog. But the next word, bathroom. Bathroom. Okay. Flop.
น้ำที่ใช้ทอยเล็ต
Flop. It, flop. It have what phonic sounds? Flop. Flops. Flop. Okay. Flop. And next one is F. It sound like fur. LL is the ending sound, alright? Like full. It has what phonic sounds? Fur. Okay. CK. Like the word thick. Thick. Like you thick the shape. Thick the point. Thick. It has what phonic sounds? Thick. Thick. Yeah. Very good. And is the vowels. Vowels. Okay? It's not vowel, huh? No. When you pronounce it, vowels. Yes, vowels. Good. How about hit? Hit. How about pot? Pot. Very good. How about fun? Fun. Fun. Okay. All right. Let's see the vowel. Okay. The complex vowel sounds like AI, EE, IE, OA, OO. AI is pronounced what? Like the word A, like rain, pain, strain, stain. Okay? Alright. If you say the word rain, what phonic sound? Very good. Rain. How about the word pain? Pain. Very good. How about train? Train. Very good. How about the word stain? Very good. E is long E. Like like tree. B, C, bleed. Okay. All right. The word tree. It has what phonic sound? E, tree. How about the word bee? Bee. How about the word seed? Seed. How about the word breed? Breed. Very good. I like the word time, try, fry. See? Okay. Tie. Necktie. Tie it has what sound? Tie. How about pie? Pie. How about tried? Tried. How about fried? Fried. Very good. Sound. O-A. Like the word bold. Gold. Cloak. See? It pronounced the sound O. Right? O. Okay. How about the word bold? It has what phonic sound? B. O. T. Bold. How about the word coat? Coat. Coat. How about the word goat? Goat. Goat. How about the word cloak? Cloak. See? Oh, like the word moon. Moon. Soon. Okay? The word boot. It has what phonic sounds? Boot. How about moon? Moon. How about soon? Soon. How about suit? Soon. Yeah. See? A-I-E-E-I-E-O-A-O-O. See? But in the bottom part, play. A-Y and A-E. Play. It has what phonic sound? A. Play. A-E like gate. Gate. Girl. Gate. See? The sound or A-E, it depends on the word. E-E, it can spell E-A, like seat, seal, feast. Okay? Seat, sir. Eater, seed. Seal, sir. Healer, seal. Beast, bird. Eater, beast. Okay? The sound E, I-G-H, like night. Night. It has what phonic sound? Night. I like Y. It can be spelled with Y. It pronounced I. Like cry. The word cry, it has what phonic sound? Cry. How about try? Try. Very good. O, it can be with O-E. You can write O-E like the word toe. T-O, toe. Or spell with O-E like the word smoke. E-W like flu. It has a phonic sound. Flew away. Okay, fly is the past tense of fly, right? Fly, flew. Okay. And sometimes the oo sound, it can spell with ooh, blue. Okay. And next one, the sound ow, ow, O-U, O-I, O-Y, it make what sound? Oi sound. Oi sound. I-R-E-R-U-R is the sound. Sound. Okay. A-R is what sound? R. O-R. Okay. Okay, let's see. Like the word house, like the word mouth, like the word cow, like the word cow. Okay, the word house, it has what phonic sound? House, house. The word mouth, it has what sound? Mouth. The word cow, it has what phonic sound? Cow. The word brown, it has what phonic sound? Brown. Okay. Oi. Like soil, boil, toy. Okay. Like the word oil. Oil, it has what sound? Oil. Put the oil. Okay. Soy, it has what phonic sound? Soy. How about the word boy? How about the word toy? Sound like the word first, like the word skirt, like the word flower, like the word bird. Okay, let's see the word now. First, skirt. It has what phonic sound? Flower. It has what phonic sound? Again, sorry. Flower. How about the word fur? It has what phonic sound? Okay, the word car, it has what phonic sound? The word farms, what has? Farm. The word scarps? Scarf. The word chalk? Chalk. Go now. Like the word for in that. Like the word court. Like the word Lord. Lord. How about the word sport? Sport. Okay, next one. The word bear, hair, dare, scare. Okay, bear, air, there, hair, her, air, hair, there, the, and, there, scare, sir, cur, and, scare. Very good. O, A-W, A-U, O-R-E. Like the word floor, couch, more. It has what sound? Or sound. Or sound. Like the word floor. Floor, it has what? Fur. Or. Floor. Claw. Or. Claw. Hot. Hot. More. More. Okay. The good, work, pull up. Not supposed to be up, okay? I don't think so, okay? Ooh sound, right? Ooh sound, like good. Ooh, good. Book, book. Ooh, book. Pull, ooh, pull. But up. It pronounced up. If you come in the beginning of the word, EA, like the word pay, braid, trade. It sound, what sound? It make what sound? Hey.